Duncan is portrayed as the epitome of a virtuous king, embodying qualities of purity and justice. He is depicted as a father figure who nurtures his kingdom, helping it to grow and flourish under his guidance. Like the sun that provides light and warmth, Duncan fosters an environment where the harvest of peace and prosperity can thrive. His reign aligns with the concept of the divine right of kings, portraying him as a ruler chosen by God. However, Duncan's fatal flaw is his gullibility, as seen in his absolute trust in the treacherous Thane of Cawdor and later Macbeth. While his Christ-like purity is ideal, his lack of judgment makes him vulnerable, contributing to his tragic downfall and the chaos that follows. Macbeth, in stark contrast, represents the antithesis of ideal kingship. His reign is marked by tyranny, fear, and bloodshed, as his unchecked ambition leads him to disrupt the natural and divine order through regicide. Despite his moral corruption, Macbeth ironically aligns with the concept of tennis law, an ancient Scottish principle that emphasized strength and the ability to seize power. According to tennis law, Macbeth should have been named Prince of Cumberland, as the role traditionally favored the strongest and most capable warrior rather than a direct hereditary successor. However, his rule ultimately descends into chaos, symbolizing the dangers of ambition untempered by moral responsibility. Banquo, though not a king himself, plays a critical role in the discussion of kingship. When Macbeth sees Banquo's descendants in the witch's apparitions, the imagery of a gold-bound brow symbolizes the divine and royal legitimacy of Banquo's lineage. The phrase "a third is like the former" reflects the unending nature of Banquo's dynasty, further taunting Macbeth's barren future, rooted in permanence and nobility. Malcolm embodies the restoration of rightful kingship. He is portrayed as pure and balanced, carefully considering time, measure, and place in his actions. Unlike Duncan, Malcolm learns from the chaos that preceded him, testing Macduff's loyalty, and demonstrating discernment and wisdom. His ascension symbolizes the restoration of the natural order and justice, reaffirming the divine right of kings. In Malcolm, Duncan's blood is metaphorically reborn onto the throne, restoring his lineage and the purity of rightful rule. Malcolm's reign represents a hopeful resolution, contrasting the turmoil of Macbeth's rule and the gullibility of Duncan. Throughout the play, Shakespeare connects kingship to both the natural and political worlds. The regicide of Duncan unleashes chaos, reflected in unnatural events such as Duncan's horses eating each other and the darkness that envelops Scotland. The body politic is a metaphor for the country being controlled by its ruler as the head. The health of the king was linked to the well-being of the nation. Macbeth's tyranny poisoned Scotland, described as a sickly wheel, while Malcolm's rise promises healing and renewal.